Batgirl, also known as Barbara Gordon, loved the night. She was a superhero who protected the city from danger, especially during those dark, shimmering nights. One night, as she was patrolling, she saw a group of cats trapped in a tall, old tree. They were scared and meowed for help. Batgirl knew she had to save them. She flew up to the tree with her grappling hook, swinging from branch to branch. The cats were so relieved when she reached them. Batgirl carefully scooped them up and carried them down to safety. The cats were grateful and decided to help Batgirl in return. They became her little friends, helping her spot trouble in the city. One day, Batgirl found a boy named Tim who was lost in the park. Tim was scared and crying, but Batgirl quickly comforted him. With the help of her feline friends, they guided Tim back to his home. From that day on, Tim and Batgirl became the best of friends. They would often go on adventures together, always helping those in need. Batgirl was not just a superhero, she was a friend to everyone. At night, when the city was quiet, Batgirl would look up at the stars and think about her adventures. She was proud to be Batgirl, the protector of the city and the friend of its people, even the smallest ones like Tim. As she flew off into the night, she thought, "The shimmering night is my friend. Together, we make the city a safer, happier place." And with that, she soared into the night, ready for whatever adventure awaited her.